Alaska, a land of rugged beauty and untamed wilderness. For centuries, it's been known as the last frontier, where fortune seekers once flocked in search of gold and carving out lives in the shadow of snow-capped mountains. But nestled in the icy waters of Alaska lies a treasure more valuable than gold: the Alaskan salmon. Alaskan salmon has slowly become the favorite salmon among chefs and restaurants. In the world of Alaskan salmon, the fish coming from the Copper River are considered the best and the fattiest, and the most expensive too. For retail price, a Copper River King salmon can cost you around $1,500 to $2,000, which is 6 times as much as other wild salmon and 10 times more than farm salmon. But what makes this fish so extraordinary that it commands a price fit for royalty? Today, Captain Discovery joins the brave Alaskan fishermen in their relentless pursuit of this culinary gem. Together, we'll uncover the secrets behind its unmatched flavor and the challenges that drive its price sky high. So let's trade in those gold pans for fishing nets and set sail on the Copper River, because it's time to catch some king salmon. But don't forget to like and subscribe to Captain Discovery, my friend, to find out more about fascinating processes from around the world. Copper River King salmon, often referred to as Chinook salmon, is one of the most prized and sought-after species of salmon in the world. Often referred to as the Wagyu of salmon, Copper River King salmon can cost up to $120 per pound. Renowned for its exceptional richness in flavor, this salmon is celebrated not only for its taste, but also for its impressive nutritional profile. The fish's high oil content contributes to its deep red flesh, a characteristic that sets it apart from other types of salmon and makes it a favorite among chefs and culinary enthusiasts. Moreover, the Copper River King salmon is not just a culinary delight, it also holds significant cultural and economic value for the communities in Alaska. The fishing season for Copper River King salmon is notably short, typically running from mid-May to mid-June. During this brief period, fishermen work tirelessly to harvest the salmon at the peak of its quality. The limited availability coupled with high demand for such a superior product drives up the price, making Copper River King salmon a luxury item in the seafood market. For generations, local fishermen have relied on the salmon runs for their livelihoods, employing sustainable fishing practices to ensure the species' continued abundance. The salmon is also a symbol of the region's natural heritage, representing the harmony between the environment and the people who depend on it. Before we start, here's the Discovery Challenge about Copper River King salmon. Which U.S. city is known for celebrating the arrival of the first Copper River King Salmon of the season, with special events and restaurant menus? The answer will be revealed at the end of the video. Share your answer in the comments below now. As the first light of dawn creeps over the rugged landscape, a group of seasoned fishermen begins their day. A day that can yield one of the most prized catches in the world, the Copper River King Salmon. The boats, resting silently in the calm waters, are the lifeblood of this operation. Next comes a selection of fishing gear. The rods and reels must be strong enough to handle the sheer power of a king salmon, which can easily weigh over 40 pounds. Lines are carefully inspected for any signs of fraying, and hooks are sharpened to ensure they can penetrate the tough mouth of a king salmon. Bait is selected with precision, typically herring, roe, or other fish that are irresistible to the kings. Finally, the fishermen gather to discuss their strategy for the day. Each fisherman has their preferred spots, hidden eddies, deep pools, or sections where the river narrows and forces the fish into concentrated areas. The boats are untied from the docks, and one by one, they begin to glide into the open water. The engines hum quietly, a low, steady sound that blends into the natural symphony of the river. The Copper River is no ordinary waterway. It's a powerful force of nature. Its currents strong and unpredictable. Its waters cold and fast-moving. The fishermen know this river intimately. Its bends, its steps, its hidden dangers. After some time, the boats begin to slow as the fishermen approach their chosen spots. This is where instinct and experience come into play. They look for signs, subtle changes in the water's flow, the presence of other fish. With the boat steady and the location chosen, the fishermen reach for their rods. The lines are carefully baited, using the herring or roe that was so carefully prepared earlier. Each fisherman has their own technique. Some prefer a slow, deliberate cast, while others go for speed and precision. Now the waiting game begins. The fishermen settle in, eyes trained on the water, hands steady on their rods. It's break time! Did you know the Copper River King Salmon has to swim over 300 miles from the Gulf of Alaska upstream to their spawning grounds in the Copper River, which is one of the most rugged and fast-flowing rivers in North America? This challenging journey requires the salmon to build up significant fat reserves, resulting in a flesh that is both flavorful and highly sought after by chefs and seafood enthusiasts around the world. So, do you like eating this salmon? Can you share with others in the comments below? The moment a fisherman feels that sharp pull on his line, everything changes. As the fight drags on, the king salmon begins to tire. He remains focused, steadily reeling the fish closer to the surface, every muscle in his body working in concert with his experience and training. Finally, after what feels like an eternity, the king salmon breaks the surface. There's a moment of quiet triumph as the fisherman takes in his catch, the king salmon. with its rich, deep color and powerful build, is the reward for his endurance and skill. As the boat continues its journey down the river, the fishermen take a moment to reflect. The king salmon is more than just a catch. It's a reminder of the delicate balance between man and nature. The river has given up one of its treasures, and the fishermen are deeply aware of the responsibility that comes with that. There's a sense of gratitude, both for the fish and for the river that sustains them. But the day is not over. The fishermen know that there are more kings to be caught, and so they prepare to cast their lines again. The process of fishing is cyclical. Each catch is followed by another round of waiting, battling, and hopefully landing another prize. The fishermen reset their gear, check their lines, and ready themselves for the next challenge. The river, as always, holds both promise and mystery. With the prized Copper River King Salmon safely aboard, the fishermen began their journey back to shore. As the boats turned towards home, the river's current is now an ally, helping to carry them back to the harbor. Even as the boats make their way home, attention remains on the king salmon lying in the coolers. Each fish is checked and repositioned as needed to ensure it stays perfectly chilled. The fishermen know that the quality of the fish must be maintained from the moment it leaves the water until it reaches its final destination. The unloading begins as soon as the boats are secured. The fishermen work with practiced efficiency, lifting the heavy coolers and transferring them to the dock. Each king salmon is handled with the same care it received on the boat, ensuring that its journey from the river to the market is as smooth and respectful as possible. This is where the raw beauty of the river's bounty is expertly prepared and filleted, ready to be presented to the world. Skilled hands take the first cuts, beginning the delicate process of filleting the king salmon. The fillet masters, often with years of experience, move with practiced ease. Their knives glide smoothly through the flesh, separating the fillets from the bones with almost surgical precision. Each slice reveals the rich, deep color of the salmon's flesh, a vivid orange red marbled with just the right amount of fat, promising a melt-in-your-mouth texture. After the bones are removed, the fillets are trimmed to perfection. Any excess skin or fat are carefully sliced away, leaving clean, even portions that showcase the natural beauty of the fish. The salmon fillets are vacuum sealed to lock in their freshness, ensuring that they reach their destination in perfect condition. Each package is labeled with details of its origin, a mark of the fish's authenticity and quality. And now is the answer for the quiz about which U.S. city is known for celebrating the arrival of the first. The answer is Seattle, Washington. Each May, the arrival of these prize salmon is eagerly anticipated by chefs.
Into a community-wide festival of music, food,
seafood lovers, and food enthusiasts across the city. The city's close proximity to Alaska, where the Copper River is located, makes it a prime location for showcasing the first catch of the season, turning it into a significant culinary event. The annual event has become a beloved tradition in Seattle's culinary scene, marking the start of the summer seafood season and drawing attention from food media and tourists alike. Interesting, right? Salmon is a versatile fish that is featured in many famous dishes worldwide. Here are some popular foods made from salmon. Smoked salmon is a delicacy made by curing salmon fillets with salt and then cold or hot smoking them to impart a rich, smoky flavor. Often served on bagels with cream cheese, capers, and onions, it's a staple in many breakfast and brunch menus, particularly in Jewish and Scandinavian cuisines. The smooth, tender texture and savory taste make it a popular choice for appetizers and canapes. Grilled salmon is a simple yet flavorful dish where salmon fillets are seasoned and cooked on a grill, bringing out the fish's natural oils and smoky flavor. Often served with a side of vegetables or a fresh salad, it's a healthy and versatile option for lunch or dinner. These dishes highlight the versatility and global appeal of salmon, whether it's enjoyed smoked, raw, or grilled. Thank you for joining us in exploring the production process of Copper River King Salmon. Enjoy exploring factory production with us? Like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating insights into manufacturing.
With a little touch of lemon.
Look at that sizzle. Oh my God. Amazing.
I've got the best fisherman in Alaska on a boat.